In this video, you will learn how to upload multiple documents using the bulk upload feature. To start, let's understand what the bulk upload feature is. The bulk upload feature matches document names, validates documents after submitting them to the project sponsor, and assists in error handling. To use the bulk upload feature, you must first download the bulk template. To download the template, open the supplier contract from your project dashboard. Click Download Bulk Template. Note that the bulk template must be downloaded each time before performing the bulk upload. In the bulk template, click Get File Names. Locate the folder where the files are available for bulk upload. Complete all the columns using the drop-down. Note that the columns marked with the red asterisks are required while uploading the sheet, and the columns with the green asterisks are required when submitting the uploaded data. Save the spreadsheet. Now let's upload the documents saved in bulk upload template. In the contract dashboard page, select Bulk Upload Documents. Select the bulk upload template. If there are any errors or warnings, resolve them before submitting the spreadsheet. If there are no validation errors or warnings, click Continue. Now you can add the files. Click Browse to add files. You can upload the files without submitting them, or you can submit and upload them. I'm going to upload and submit. In the Deliverables preview page, verify the details and click Next. In the Submit Deliverables page, add the description. You can submit them individually. I'm going to submit them as a set. Enter a set name and select the cover page. Click Upload and Submit to upload the documents. Wait for the documents to be uploaded and then click Close. And that's how you upload multiple documents using the bulk upload feature.